Hey Avon friends, today I thought I would give the Blotted Lip Trend a try using FMG Glimmer Lipstick in Blaze, which is this one right here. Blaze is a beautiful red lipstick, and I thought this would be a fun thing to try, especially for Valentine's Day. So what you want to do is you get your lipstick and you get a brush, one that you won't mind ruining because lipstick is often hard to get out of brushes. And you want to load up your brush with your lip color, and then I'm going to get a mirror so I can see what I'm doing, and you feather the lipstick over your lips. And that would be your blotted lip look. But if you're a mature woman like myself, you may want to neaten up the lines a little bit, especially lip lines where you know you might have some lipstick transfer to your lip line. So it's good to stop that with a lip liner. And then go back to your brush and just blend that in. And that looks a little neater and a little crisper. Also, if you want a gloss, you can put a gloss over this, but today I'm going to try this lip gloss, or it's a lip balm in strawberry, and it smells really good. It smells just like strawberries, and it's a little tinted, so you can see it's got a little tint to it, and that'll just help to enhance the color of your blotted lip look. So there you have it, a blotted lip look with little modifications for the mature crowd. If you try this for Valentine's Day, let me know, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.